In the previous video, you've seen that we have combined 6 different CSV files using the copy command into one. So what we've done is we've taken 6 files into one. That's what we did in the previous video. And in the meantime, if you've done the exercises, you have used that one CSV file to import it into Excel. However, sometimes you don't have 6 CSV files. Sometimes you have 6 Excel files, or 10 or 100. And unfortunately, copy does not work on Excel files. By the way, if you already know that you're not going to import Excel files because you're always going to import CSV files, feel free to skip this video. It is just about the conversion of Excel to CSV. However, don't skip the next video. It's about data types and you'll need to know about that in both of the scenarios. So if you're still here, I assume you want to know how to transform Excel files into CSV files so that we can then use copy and import to get everything into Excel. So how to do that? Of course, as you've seen me do in previous videos, we can do it manually. We can open every file, save as CSV, and then we'll be there. But that is a lot of work. So to make it easier for you, I have made a little script, a VBS script. That's a Visual Basic Script. And we can use that to automatically transform all of the Excel files to CSV files. That's what I will show you in this video. So here you see the script. We will place a download link below. And if you just click it, there it's running now in the background. Bam, 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 bam. We get all of the CSV files. Now we have them, we can again repeat the same trick that we've done in the previous video. We just copy all the CSV files into one. There we go. Now we have an input file. And because you have already made the data connection to this input file, we can just open that. We go here, we click refresh, and all the data is there. Very easy. And one more thing I want to show you, if you click properties, there it says refresh on open, and that's something you really want to enable, because that means every time you open the Excel file, all of the data connections, in this case we just have one, our one data connection is refreshed. So you can never forget to update anything. You just convert everything, copy, and then always if you open, the latest data will be loaded. Isn't that easy?